To turn on or turn off voice access in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap Accessibility. Scroll down Accessibility screen and then select Speech. And then on Voice Access Preview, tap Switch until on to turn on or tap Switch until off to turn off. Voice access is okay. Voice access is currently in sleep mode. To get started, say voice access wake up. Voice access wake up. Okay. Voice access wake up. What can I do? What can I say? You can see voice access command when you say what can I say? And then to turn off voice access, tap voice access uh switch until off to turn off. Modern voice command feature to help you interact with your PC and dictate text currently available in English, United States. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.